Hello everybody, this is the first episode of Average Dad, French one, cook dinner. So tonight, potato salad, very simple. Some cooked potatoes, 2 tomatoes, some onions, some eggs already cooked, and some tuna fish. If you want, and it is what I will do tonight, I will incorporate some green beans. Very good. So the first things to do is to peel the potato, which I will do immediately. So now this is the last potato I peeled, I cut it, and I put with the rest of the potato in this white bowl. So after that I clean quickly my hands to have clean hands. A torchon is very important to dry your hands. So to stay clean, keep a torchon close to you. Now it's time to peel the onions. And be careful, onions can make you crying. So I use the same knife and I cut it in small pieces. So you remove the bottom and the top. You put that with the rest of the waste that you will put in your home composter. It's good for your garden. Then you remove the external part and you try to not waste too much of the onion. And then you cut that in small pieces. It's better for that to use a big knife. It's much more easier. And then you put them with the potato. So again, some slice, and then small cubes of onion. Very simple. So one onion is largely enough. Now let's cut the tomato. So always clean your tomato with water. Those ones are coming from my garden. They are very, very organic. You dry them with the torchon. And let's go. It looks very nice. So after the tomatoes, it's time to prepare the eggs. So I encourage you again to rinse your cutting mate and to rinse your figure. Again, dry them. I have pre-cooked my eggs, so very easy. I crack them and take the eggs that I will cut in pieces and put with the tomato, the onions and the potato. Then again, clean the mate, clean your figure. Then now I can incorporate the tuna. To incorporate the tuna, I just open the box, the can, sorry. I will put the water in the sink and then the tuna inside the tomato. Look how beautiful is this salad. Plenty of color, all natural ingredients, very healthy. Et voilà. Then I clean up a little bit my table because it's dirty. So I rinse everything again. Voilà. Very clean. Alors, now it's time to put some green color. To put green color, you have two options. You can use small cornichon, pickles. Don't use the big one, use the small one. Now it's time to put some green color in our salad and some taste. To do so, two options to put green color. You use little cornichon, little pickles, not the big one, the small one. It's more crunchy and it's better taste. And also we can use cooked beans. So tonight, to show you how to cook the salad, I will put the two options together. It's up to you. It's very good. It's bring fibers and taste. And you can hear that they still very crunchy too, the beans. It's important to give a texture to your salad. So the second option is to put also cornichon, little pickles, and honestly, that change everything in the recipe. That make it so good. It's a surprise in your mouth. So little pickles, very well for the very good for the potato salad. So you cut them in a small slice like that. Oops. I lost two pieces. Yeah, great. And then you spread them in the salad like that. Very nice. So the last piece of the recipe, you can remove everything. Okay, you wash your hands again. Very important. And you dry with the torchon. So the next the next things to do, which is very important, is to do la vinaigrette. So you use oil. Here it's sunflower oil. So you put oil. Voila. Half of the bowl. You put some vinegar of wine. Very important. A bit also. Okay. Then very important, real mustard from Dijon, so spicy one. So for that you need a spoon. I grab a spoon and you put, I put 2 spoons, but you can put only one if you don't want too spicy. Then after that, basically a little bit of salt. Et voilà. The pepper, very important inside. The pepper. Voilà. Then you take the fork and you mix. You mix. And then when you have this nice consistency, you pour delicately. Now that you have poured the vinaigrette on the salad, the rest is very simple. You take your fork and you start to mix. To make the sauce, the vinaigrette going everywhere in your potato salad. Et voilà! This is a very nice and healthy potato salad. So I repeat, with potato, eggs, tuna, cornichon, pickles, beans, and a bit of tomato. So if you like the recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more episode of Average Friend Dad cooks dinner, please subscribe to my channel. In the comments, I will put the detail of this recipe, very simple, that every dad on earth can do. And you can feel free also to give comment to see what kind of recipe you would like to see me cooking for you. Enjoy your evening, enjoy your dinner, and don't forget, every dad can cook.